In this video, I'm going to be showing us how to take our window component and first of all spin it on the axis so it's facing the right direction, and then insert it into our window opening. So the first thing I want to do is I want to come in and select it with my selection tool. The next thing I want to do is go to my move tool and I want to go to the top view. So in my views, top, and when I'm looking down at this, I want to select one of these red plus symbols that shows up, these intersections. Click, slide it to a 0 angle, and click again. You could also enter 0 and hit enter. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to orbit a little bit just so I can see my windows again. You could also change your views. And I'm going to move it to the correct spot. Right now, my view or my style is X-ray. I turned it on yesterday, I forgot to turn it off. This is how we turn it on. So going in here, styles. I'm just going to close all these things out so you can see where I opened them. But styles is the 5th icon down. Click on it, and we click the edit style. Once you select the edit style, you want to go down to where it says X-ray, and you want to have it selected. The reason we want to have this selected is we want to drop this off in the midpoint, and you can't do it if we can't see the midpoint of our wall. So X-ray first. Now to move, we are going to go and select this bottom left middle point, the end point of the curtain wall block. Select it. We're going to move it up into the opening, and we should be able to slide it down this line until we see the halfway point, midpoint. Drop it. Control key. Select that endpoint again. Zoom out. Zoom back into the next window. Drop it. Control key. Remember, the control key is the duplicate tool. And then moving one more time and dropping in the third one. Remember to turn your X-ray off if you don't like the way it looks, I guess, basically. It allows you to see through the walls. It can be frustrating, but sometimes also essential. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helps.